we are on Jamaica adventures with here, you know?
Out the road, we are mash up some fish right now. Big
Yes,
watch
so I
out.
mash them up this evening.
Yeah, man, watch out. See, I be a big line where I set up fish. And nothing normal. And I look light rod, you know? Although, you have to give props in the car. Whole heap of fish I rather kill them. Yeah, man. So come in, I kill some big one. I show you.
So yes guys, I go down the dock, you know, shoreline. See the hill steep. There's a guys them there down here. Yeah man. It's beautiful and pretty, you know. See the little rocks them. Yeah man. So murder some fish in the evening guys. Yeah man. Lot of rock. Yo! So far, we have to walk up on them rock stone here. Dangerous man. Yeah, man. Not pretty. Drop on one of the rock stone here, broke on your foot then. Yeah, man. Show now view, you know. Man. So yes, people left up on the location and all. The rod ready up. Yeah man. So you can get 2 fish and all, you know. They and they out over there. There's a guys them. Yeah man. Guys, alright guys, you cut up his swims there. Put on the line and on short. Yeah man. Yeah man, rod them there. Adventures are set up. Yeah man.
Set out to the big kingfish there, man.
Yeah man. Big old.
Right now, we tell I catch small fish, I know. Tell you honest truth, tell I catching the small fish here. Even though they eat good still, no. Cause don't get me wrong, the small fish and kind of better than the bigger one, you see me? I think the bigger one have more meat on them. Yeah, man, how on? You need to sail off, man.
So guys, Davey, I don't know if you sail off your rod there guys. Yeah man.
You want me to show you how to do it? You know how to do it?
And see Uncle Fox who you down there. Yeah man. And they will run around part there, no? Hide. And see Chef there up there, so guys. Yeah man.
Great, Chef, cute. Kill it today. You want to see swim there?
Yes guys, this is my first catch here. Yeah man. See him? Snapper. Yeah man. So yes guys, I'm set up back your rod. Yeah man. No. So go back to the second one again, you know.
2, go on. Oh, take him out, take him out. Oh my god. Yes man. That is it. That is it. Take him off. Third fish.
Yes guys, winch man. Third one, you know. Yeah. Done Yeah. So yeah guys, third one, Wenchman. You don't know, we not can have no camera stand out there. Be a rock stone where you can see. Yeah man. Can't complain guys. Yeah man.
Oh, this most thing here, this I can't.
I can't sing bro. Nah run.
Usap depan ni man.
Sim.
Ail. Ail boy, ail.
Heel.
Ail. Yo, it's a nice bait, chef. Come in, bait.
Heel guys.
Chef, come with a knife. You have a knife?
Come on.
Ah, come.
Adventures.
Come on, have knife. Ail, yeah. Cut him up and use him for bait.
One adventures, you know?
That
Jamaica.
is it. Yeah, come in. I cut him up a nice bait, you know. Come in. You come and do the bait. Yeah, man. So, please, what's up? Knock him out, chef.
No, we can't do somebody.
Like how we came out, can't you?
So yes guys, I can see night is coming down, you know. Yeah man. Night is fall, you know. So yes guys, that is Kingston you look for now. Yeah man.
Yeah, man. So, I get up one pick, you know. What is it feel like a stingray, sir? What stingray this?
Feel big?
Be nice, huh? How never you think I'm going to?
Feel like it?
Yeah, I can see that. My peeps, we get a nice run the square, but the point that is down as well. You know, before Macaron. A stingray that one. Stingray. Lie down pa rin sinamasok ka ba?
Yeah.
Is it? Yeah, come na no? Yeah.
Fight him.
Oh, fight it, yeah. Yeah. Come, yeah. Come, yeah.
20 pound barrow.
Where is it? Shine more light down there. Come on in front of me. Come on in front of me. No, I think I'm going to do that. Please don't make up this thing here, father. Oi, kangaroo again.
One more kangaroo.
Bigger one. One tiny one. Kangaroo crane.
One more kangaroo guys.
One bigger one this time. Yeah. Sure, that's it. Wait, how is like that?
Gone in a rock stone. See me? Pop it.
Bike up line. You know what's up here? You know take you up now.
If you use something,
I stop him.
yeah. So alright peeps, so I'll take him up and make one see me.
See my go there, no?
My boy.
See me. Jump on.
Jump one stone in.
Isa siya. Abi, kangaroo. O yun gani, nga ay, di maluksong mo sugaf na yung mata. Sinong niya mo?
See me?
Wende. Jump ito namin.
See me guys.
Peeps,
Let's just see more.
Dama meat, nice naman. Nawin tinimit na nga sa nakim. Gimme. Yeah, peeps, so we want him for bait, isn't it? Yeah man, and we are going to eat him too, you know, cause it's nice meat, man. Yeah, and then it's done. Alright peeps, so here we go, we're ready to see him come out, then we knock him. We're not knock him on camera, I'm going to show you. See him? Hold him, you hold him! Yeah, in that.
Man. Yeah, do have to fight with him. We'll get him.
Nice meat that, you know, man. Good for the good route, you know.
Yeah. Still a mover.
Yeah.
Magani ito.
Eh, nerves na gana at all. Yeah, man, peeps, oh. Si Chap kalon sa him de. Kaya na dismantling breed na, no? Yes, my peeps, watch out. Hungry. Bali, tigo kya. Finish your bone. One. Send this out. How many send this out? So Chap kalon sa fish this, so send this the way the fish.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, so babe, I put on the belt for this, so you know anything touches you now, see what I go and say. Straight down. I feel like my jack marker. I feel good. It's gone, man, it's gone.
Gone.
It's gone, yeah.
Look at the moon, guys. See there? The moon, guys. Yeah, man. That's it. The moon, you know. Over Kingston. So yes, guys. Davian catch a nice snapper, you know. Yeah, man. What is it, Davian?
Good look. Just don't give up and put it. What?
Nice boy!
Far country round, far country.
Kangri. Kangri.
Different color kangaroo. Pick up.
Fire.
I'm rolling.
Yeah.
Again. Oh, good and pack here.
Man, fish pan stone and roast, you know. Yeah, man. Davian outdoor, you know.
Wala naman. Oh, join pa the fire with the skin?
Yes.
Wala kila fat niya.
Wala naman ko muli sini. Still free na man head cut out?
Ano da two slider ano na ulit ba?
Eh? No, man, inside again. Yo, muli pa mi na bro.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, damage it.
I got that one. See it? Yeah, we bring it.
Davian.
Oh, I didn't have him to door for this. Smith and West na ang gawain no.
So, ang pips, knife doll. Ako puti man siya mo yan.
Guys, stop it.
Hello, ka fool.
Closer. Yes, mommy peeps. So watch it. See that? Fish are roast. What fish are fry? From the sea to the pot.
Two of them look like them are fry. Nah, like.
That's it. That's the game. Kind of fry.
Yes, man, right now, I'm have a barbecue sauce here, paint and funny so.
That's what they know.
The man was fish ready, you know.
Watch out, look on steam.
Yeah, man, more than that.
Steam. Watch it.